Hey everybody, this is Web Page Design Dreamweaver. We left off on page 460 on chapter 6. So go ahead and open your books. Um, the one thing that yesterday I left off with is when I did the F12 for this page, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so I got this message. This is why it wasn't working, the rollover. If you get this message, it says Internet Explorer restricted this web page from running scripts or ActiveX controls. Just hit allow blocked content. And that's why mine wasn't working. So now if you roll over, here's the Northern Alaska, Central Alaska, Southern Alaska. You don't click on it, you just roll over it with your mouse. That's how those AP divs work. Okay, so the one last thing for AP divs that we're going to do is we want to make sure that they're all aligned up, all those pictures perfectly, and there's a way to do that. So make sure your AP Elements panel is opened up. Hold down, we're going to click on Southern and hold down your Shift key and then click on all the other pieces. Okay, and you want to make sure all 4 are selected. Then we're going to go to the Modify menu. We're going to appoint to Arrange right here. And then point to Align Top. And that way they will all be exactly aligned up at the top. Okay. And then I'm on page 462. I want you to open up the AP Elements again. And then take off the map, hold down the Shift key, and then just click on Map, because we just want these selected. Then we're going to go to Modify again, point to Arrange, and then click Align Left, so that they're all aligned up left. Then we're going to go to the Modify menu again, point to Arrange, and then click Make Same Width. And then we're going to modify again, Arrange, and this time make same height. Okay. So we're going to get rid of the rulers now. We don't really need them anymore. So we're going to go to the View menu. We're going to point to rulers. And then we're going to unclick Show. And then we're going to save. And now if you press F12 again, okay, it's always asking me that message at the bottom. I'm not sure why. But anyway, all your pictures should be lined up perfectly, and the top of the map lined up with the top of the AP Elements. Okay, great. All right, so now we're going to move on to the second part of this chapter, which is creating the nav bar, the navigation bar. Okay, so I'm on page 464. We're going to go to the index page. So I'm going to open that up. There we go. I'm going to minimize this for a minute. Okay, at the bottom of the index page, I want you to select the date. We're going to delete that. We're going to go to the Insert drop-down menu. And then we're going to point to date. Okay, click on it. And what we're doing is we're just going to have this update automatically. So we're going to click this box. And then we're going to click OK. And then that way, every time somebody logs into the website, it'll just update the current date. Okay, and then we're going to save it. There we go. Okay, so I'm now on page 466. I want you to scroll up to the top of the index page. And you're going to create a blank line below the heading. Okay. Make sure you're in the center of the web page. Then we're going to go to the insert menu. We're going to point to image objects right here. And then we're going to choose navigation bar. Okay. So it opens up the navigation bar dialog box. We are going to type Alaska_parks for the element name. Then we're going to hit the tab key. Make sure down here at the bottom your use table box is checked. And make sure the insert says horizontally. All right, now, here's what we're doing here. We're trying to put in what we want in the navigation bar as far as buttons go. And we have those pictures that we uploaded already. So next to up image, we're going to hit browse. And I'm on page 468. And you want to find the button. We want to go into images and we want to find the button 01A. Right here, button 01A. Okay. And then click OK. All right, for the over, we're going to hit browse and we're going to find button 01B. Okay. In the down, let's see. In the alternate text box, we're going to type Alaska Parks. And then when it's, we're going to leave down in overwild down image, those blank. Where it says when clicked, go to URL. And then we're going to click the browse. And we're going to have it go to Denali. And then we're going to click OK. Okay. And then we're going to click the plus button above the navbar elements box. Okay. And now I'm on page 470. And now this one is going to be called Alaska Monuments. Okay, we're going to go to the browse next to the up image. And this is going to be button 2A. Okay. And then for the over image, this is going to be button 2B. And then click OK. And then in the alternate text, we are going to type Alaska Monuments. And then when it says when clicked, we're going to click the browse menu and we're going to have this go to the Antioch check page and then click OK. We're going to click the plus again. This one is going to be named hotels. Browse next to up image, and this is 3A, button 3A. The over image for the over box is 3B, button 3B. Okay. In the alt box, we're going to type hotels. And then when it says, when clicked, go to URL, we're going to go to hotel form. Okay, and then click OK. All right, now I'm on page 472. I'm going to click the plus sign again. And this one is going to be featured, F-E-A-T-R-E-D _ park. The browse up is button 4A. The browse over is button 4B. The alt text is featured park. And when clicked, go to, and we're going to go to the Alaska Attractions page. We're going to hit the plus sign again. This one is wildlife _ education. The up image is going to be 5A. The over image is going to be 5B. The alt text is wildlife education. And the browse, when clicked, go to, and we're going to go, oh, actually, that one we're going to type in http:// and I'm on page 473, www.nature.nps.gov. And then click OK. And there is our nav bar. And we're going to align this center. We are going to save this. We're going to press the F12 key. And we're going to try it out. See if it works. Notice, let's see. Okay, so I'm going to click on Alaska Parks. It should bring us, there we go. I'm going to click on Alaska Monuments, Hotels, Featured Park, and Wildlife Education. Maybe I typed that one in wrong. I better go back and look at that. Wildlife Education. Let's see here. We will have, let's see, what did I type in here? HTTP. www.nature.nps.gov. Maybe the website's not there anymore, so that's okay if you can't get to that one. And that is it for chapter 6. We're actually done. And this is our last day of work, guys, so it's been great having you in class. Hopefully, I will see some of you next year. And for my seniors, I miss you guys. I love you guys. You're going to do great things. Take care.